Hello everyone, this is Fabio Carvalho and you're watching now Adisra SmartView course. Today's topic is the object image. We will continue working on the beer factory application. On the first part, we already saw how to use a dynamic image, but we didn't see it on runtime yet. In this video, we will configure the ellipses on the navigation bar with some images and we'll see how it looks on the runtime. Let's go back to the application. I'm going to set as initial screen the screen that we created in the previous video. And now how can we add an image to this ellipse? There is of course the option to add an image object and just select the image. Let's do it and see how it looks. I'm going to select just a random image here. Okay, let's stretch. No, it doesn't fit well. So just select the ellipse, go to the image tab here, click in the rectangle and let's select it again. Yeah, now it looks much better. Let's do the same for the following. I'm gonna select alarm now. No, it doesn't look very good, this one. I still have another one. Yeah, it looks better. Now let's select the packing. Yep. Next one, let's select the grains for the storage. Yeah, we're gonna need more screens. Right now let's make the application a little bit prettier. Let's change this rectangle here. Let's add a gradient color. On the gradient color we can choose two different colors and make the gradient between them. Okay, looks nicer on the top bar now. Yeah, solid. It's not looking very good. We can choose all these. You can choose between all these colors. Yeah, let's go to the gradient. I'm gonna change it to grayish. Yeah, looks a little bit better. Okay. Let's save it. I'm gonna add a few labels here on the top bar. First one, let's put the current date time. Remember, we can use tags to be used on the labels, for example. Just use the @ sign and you're going to be able to select the tags that are already created. Okay, let's make it white. I'm going to copy and paste. We can now specify a different tag, like when it was activated, when the runtime started. Let's put running. Let's just align it. From now on, I will speed up the video a little bit so we don't lose so much time just watching how to add labels and tags to the labels, just making it look a little bit nicer. So far we have an initial screen where we show the factory image and if it's day or night. We have a screen for the process, we have a screen for the alarms, one for the trains, one for the storage. We're going to be able to manage the storage, and a screen for the packing process. About to finish it, and as soon as we finish we're going to run the application and I'm going to slow down the video again. Okay, so we are about to finish it. Let's run the application now and see if it did a good job. Application is starting. We're gonna see the viewer as soon as it runs. There you go. And we still have a problem with the size. We need to fix this in the next video. I can also see some other small issues that we need to fix, but we can do it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.